Captain, what would you like to say on yesterday Rahul Gandhi's speech in the parliament?
I think so. It was one of the best speeches he has given. Shri Rahul Gandhi punched holes in the big claims of the government. What was spoken by the president in her address to the budget session. He clearly brought out that the aspirations of the youth of the country have been dashed. The type of policies, the type of economic policies, absolutely without vision, without any path being laid, no focus. This is what he exposed. He also brought out how the government of India has surrendered itself to the Chinese state, be it in the manufacture sector, be it in the production sector, be it as far as labor is concerned, whether when we say make in India, Shri Rahul Gandhi clearly exposed the hypocrisy of the government, because make in India is only for namesake, because it is only assembled in India. Everything is being manufactured in China. So whatever we are buying, whether our cell phones or whatever electronic items, all this money is finally going into the state of China. What are we getting? What are our youth getting? Now, as far as the president address in totality is concerned, she spoke about Amrit Kal, that Prime Minister's vision of Amrit Kal 2047. Now, I will speak of my own state of Goa. I want to ask the Pradhan Mantri, what have you planned for my state of Goa? Is this Amrit Kal where large tracts of land are being converted, forests are being converted, agricultural land is being converted, low-lying areas are being filled? You are destroying the greenery, you are destroying the environment. You have handed over the rivers to the center. That means you have taken away our 6 rivers. Is this what you are planning in Amrit Kal for Goa? There is massive unemployment in Goa. What have you planned? What are you doing about the cash for job scam that is unraveling in Goa? Hard-working youth, where will they go? Undeserving youth who are paying a bribe will get a job. Is this your policy on Amrit Kal for Goa? Parents who are struggling, they have taken loans, they have sacrificed, they have given education to their children. What have you in store for them? Is that Amrit Kal what you have planned, of stealing away the opportunities of the children of these hard-working parents, of the middle class? Speaking about middle class, for decades, it's a fact that it is the middle class and the lower middle class which is running the economy of the country. But if you look at the budget, what have you done? You have given SOPs, you have given benefits to the super rich and crony capitalists. What have you given to the MSMEs? What have you given to the middle class and the hard-working low middle class? They are the ones who are working in factories. That is indirectly affecting the production sector of the country. So overall, I feel there is absolutely no focus. There is no way ahead of the government. Simply saying that you have a vision of 2047 Amrit Kal, I think so, is just writing on the book for the heck of it. So I'm very sad, at least as my state of Goa is concerned, there is nothing, absolutely nothing, be it in the employment sector, be it in tourism. What is there for tourism? Are you protecting our culture? You're talking about investing money. You are investing money only in Bihar, which is going to the polls. That means, what have you been saying about rewdis being distributed? Goa has to remain for these rewdis till the election comes in 2027? So I think so, the people of Goa will teach this double engine Sarkar very, I think so, I shouldn't say that word, but they will teach them a lesson.